Ayan, birthday boy, we are back dito sa usapang OFW on a
Thursday.
Thursday afternoon dito sa Manila.
Okay,
Okay, tuloy mo yung
yun nga,
usapang
kanina
pera.
na yung usapang pera na naudlot. Tumaas nga ang personal remittances from overseas Filipino workers at umabot ito ng $3.12 billion in November 2024. Tumaas siya ng 3.5% from 3.02 billion in November 2023. Yan ay base sa data ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. However, this figure was lower than October 2024's
Okay.
$3.42 billion.
Okay, so ibig sabihin year on year ay tumaas ng konti. But ang ano diyan, ang talagang notable data would be the October
The month-on-month basis.
month-on-month. October ay then November, bumaba ng November, Rapi. Of course, hindi naman ganun kalaki ang pagbaba. And yan ay may tuturing na kasama sa ebb and flow ng remittances, no?
Siguro nagtitipid pa.
Titipid.
Kasi nga, buhos pagdating ng December.
Tuloy mo, Rapi. From January to November 2024, ang total remittances reach, magkano?
$34.61 billion.
Okay,
A 3.0% year-on-year increase. Cash remittances sent through banks also grew 3.3% in November 2024, reaching $2.81 billion.
Okay,